I am standing in Saltillo, Mexico, surrounded by the mountains of Monterrey, where soon ZC or Zhongxi Rubber aims to match the weather right now with a very bright future they have planned for their new manufacturing facility that they're building here. As for what markets that will serve, what tires will be made, and who's going to be working there, we're going to find that out at the groundbreaking ceremony, which is staging behind me. A team of executives swapped pens for shovels to commemorate ZC's third international production facility. This one is going to be big, approximately 600,000 square meters. That's about 6.5 million square feet, or nearly 150 acres if you're keeping score at home. ZC expects the plant to be operational by late 2025 or early 2026 and boasts a starting annual capacity of more than 13 million PCR, or passenger car radial tires, and over 50,000 tons of off-the-road, or OTR, tires for the North American and Latin American markets. To meet those levels of production, the company said this facility will be highly automated. And to shed some light on what that truly means, Henry Shen, Vice President and Secretary of the Board of Directors for ZC Rubber Group, made some time to sit down with Tire Review during our trip to Mexico.
The high automation kind of production center is something that we started doing 3.5 years ago, when the Chinese government is trying to promote such digitalization manufacturing. And then we were the very first bunch of companies doing that. And then at that time, the small factory that we upgraded was 500 people. And after upgrade, it's 150. So basically, it just needs 1/3 of people that we need.
In addition to automation making operations safer and more efficient, Shen said there are more production benefits that stem from what ZC calls its future factory model.
Automation is basically 3 parts. Firstly, it's the machine itself. That's no secret. The secret part, first thing, very importantly, logistics. If you visit our China factory, which is now got 1.0 version and 2.0 version, there are 2 factories running there. You see a lot of AGVs, you see a lot of transmission lines, you see a lot of fully automated logistics systems running.
Future Kevin here. I'm back in the studio, and if you're like me and you didn't know that AGV stood for Automated Guided Vehicle, they're little trucks that can transport goods around a warehouse without the need for a driver. Okay, back to the interview.
Second thing I think very importantly is from after you are making the tire, from the very last part, you use some AIs for testing and for monitoring the status of the tires that you make. This whole process, so you don't see it inside the factory, but you see it in the computer. That's what we want to do.
The third perk to highly automated production, according to Shen, comes from a customer's perspective.
We want to give the customers a clear view or a clear point that we are delivering with the best products, with the best solutions and systems that we could give. In China, we do a lot of tracking of the tire, where the other tires are going. If anything goes wrong, what's the actual problem? We do a lot of these things.
To see where the facility will be, ZC flew us down to Monterrey, Mexico, in the state of Nuevo León. A short drive around the mountains, and we find ourselves in the neighboring state of Coahuila, which houses the facility. The company invested more than $500 million to make this project happen, and local government officials took note. They expressed gratitude for the effect this plant can have on the local economy, along with the 2,000 jobs the plant is expected to offer. To show the importance of the partnership, ZC was presented with representations of Mexican heritage in the forms of framed tapestries and a statue of the Mexican coat of arms, an eagle fighting a snake atop a cactus. You may be asking, ZC is a Chinese-based company, so why Mexico, and Saltillo specifically? The answers are simple: demand and location.
We studied a lot of places. This whole program starts 2 years ago with people coming here to see different options. The most important thing is with certain good infrastructure in place, it's actually not very easy to find in Mexico. And the industrial park we are going, they have sufficient supply of electricity and gas and water as well. Second thing is very, very importantly is logistics. So we have to find some place which is closer to the US border and which is safe and which is convenient in most of the time.
Situated just 250 kilometers or about 155 miles from the US-Mexico border, Saltillo definitely fits the bill for a convenient location. Some warehousing will happen here, and there are plans to broaden the reach farther with regional US warehouses in the years to come, but right now, the main goal is to meet the increasing orders ZC says it is seeing across its various tire brands. What specific tires are we seeing being purchased now, and what are going to be produced at this factory?
So currently, the US market, Latin American market is with the demand of all kinds of tires, PCR, TBR, OTRs, two wheels, ATVs, anything, right? Industrial tires. We are going to produce in here for phase one is PCR, or you may call it PLT, and also OTRs. Our first phase one aim is over 13 million PCRs and over 50,000 tons of OTRs. We are going to have more product lines with the North American market, which means we are going to have several different lines from high-end to the real budget ones.
ZC set a tight timeline for themselves, aiming to have the first tires roll off the line by the end of next year, and it's already ramping up its North American sales team to support the influx of business the company is hoping to see. When do you expect to start taking orders for customers that are going to come from this factory?
Actually, I already got some orders.
Already? Yeah. Wow, good start.
I already got some orders. When I fly from Shanghai to Los Angeles here, I had 2 small meetings in LA, and then I will got orders. People like Mexican products. I think main important reason is the much shorter lead time that they can get tires within several days. The other reason, very importantly, this is for US customers or for Mexico customers, this is what they call a sustainable supply. So Thailand, Vietnam, China, they got tariffs, they got long distance. There's a lot of uncertainty.
Although there's not much right now between myself and the mountains outside of Monterrey, pretty soon, in just about 16 months, ZC says their new facility is going to be up and running. We're not exactly sure of a date yet, but they're aiming towards end of year, around December 2025. Whenever that does happen and we get the grand opening ceremony, tire review, we'll let you know. For What's Treading, I'm Kevin Lager.